name is Calvin O'Dowd. I'm in Physics 183, and this is my video for Project 2, Option B. One of the concepts covered in this problem was the normal force and friction. The normal force is the force that is equal to and acts opposite to the gravitational force, here. Without the normal force, when you set an object on the table, it would simply fall through. The normal force occurs because, as Newton's law states, every force must have an equal and opposite force. When you set an object on a table, the force of gravity pushes down and compresses the atoms of the table. In return, the atoms of the table push back on the object, exerting an upward force equal to the gravitational force. So you can see, here's my normal force, equal to but opposite the gravitational force. The force of friction occurs due to small irregularities in the surface of objects. It takes a force to overcome these irregularities and move the object. The friction opposes motion. Here's my force of friction. Here's the direction of motion. And the force of friction is equal to the minimum force required to move an object horizontally. To calculate the force of friction, you can use the equation F equals mu mg or F equals mu Fn. The reason there are two equations is because, as we discussed before, mg is the force of gravity, and the force of gravity is equal to Fn. Mu is the coefficient of friction. The coefficient of friction is a measure of the amount of friction between two surfaces. In this problem, option B, friction was used when calculating when this block was moving across the sand. The coefficient of friction on the sand was 0.5. We can use that to calculate the acceleration and velocity of the block over time.